Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Mitchellville, local and long-distance movers near me. When you are moving miles away, you want to be sure all your precious valuables are safe during the long trip. We are licensed, insured, and known for our reliability in Mitchellville, Maryland. Our company provides special moving equipment and packing to ensure the safety of your possessions. We at 3 Movers serve all customers, whether you are moving out of state, across the nation, or internationally to a foreign destination. Our movers will deliver your goods safely and sound right on time, no matter where you are going. Our company also have compensation policy in case you receive any damaged or scratched goods. 3 Movers has built a name for itself in Mitchellville, Maryland, for speedy and efficient services. In just one day, we will get you packed and unpacked in your new place. We offer our help with every type of move, no matter how far or near you are moving. Our quality services also include customized plans for every customer ranging from homeowners, students, veterans, tenants, to businesses. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mitchellville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.